Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Wendley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 13th to 25th. April 13th to the 17th, we forecast a ridge trough, ridge configuration, and that will remain with the ridge over the eastern Pacific, trough in the west, ridge in the east. And the flow will have several systems that'll bring rainfall with already flooded areas in the plains in the Midwest, and we're going to talk about that now. We're going to have a major storm system. You can see it right here, moving out of those southern Rockies into the plains, and this will bring heavy snow across this region here with rain. Now this is today at 8 p.m. and then we're going to go to tomorrow at 8 a.m. Then we'll go tomorrow at 8 p.m. and we're expecting widespread rain across the region. Now, I want to take a look at the members. Okay, I got to go back a little bit. Okay, here's Saturday. This is the GFS members. They're all in good agreement here. And then we'll take a look at the European ensembles. Oh, I want to get to the, and we'll go forward in time to the weekend. Friday, Saturday, you can see we start to have rain moving in. And then you can see it down here across the southern plains, and then it moves into Tennessee Valley, areas that have been getting heavy rainfall across these areas. All the members are good agreement with this. And then I'll have another system that will be affecting the region later in the midweek. Now this is Thursday. Now we're going to go into next week. This will be Tuesday. Here's our next system. Tuesday. Right here. Whoops. Right here. Here's our next system that'll bring heavy rainfall to areas that don't need the rain. You can see it right down here. This is the GFS. Here's the European. So they're similar. And this will also bring rain to parts of the Mid-Atlantic and the Ohio Valley. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for April 16th to the 20th. Models continue to indicate an eastern progression of the flow. We'll have the eastern Pacific will push inland. We could go here. And you can see that the ridge, whoops. This is the GFS. Let me see if I can go any further. This GFS, this ridge builds inland, pushing this trough eastward, and this ridge out into the western Atlantic. So the western trough will move into the Mississippi Valley and parts of the Midwest. And the models are good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for most of the west and for portions of the east. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast for the plains of the Mississippi Valley, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence 35%, and then I'm forecasting above normal precipitation for this region here. The probability of occurrence is 45%. Now, as we move into the later part of April, this will be April 21st to the 25th, the continuing eastward progression, and most of the models have a ridge building into the west and a ridge in the east. We can see this, but some of the models like this is which model is this? The NAEFS. This is forecasting the trough further back, slightly westward in the Mississippi Valley and the Midwest, with weak positive anomalies along the west and east coast. So for this forecast region, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation forecast for portions of the west. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta get to I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for portions of the west. And I'm forecasting anomalies 2 to 4 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures forecast for the remainder of the nation with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast. Probability of occurrence 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range of weather forecast discussion for April 13th to 25th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.